This is where we're at. We got the windscreen in the box and all the stuff. We will see how this goes. So the way this works, this bolt comes out, this bolt comes out, and then the brackets mount to those on both sides. And then you just mount the windscreen to the brackets. I think it's interesting though, they used different size heads on their screws than Honda. So you take them off with one size, you put them back with another. Why? So it's a 5mm hex coming off. I'm guessing it's like a 3 going back on. We'll see. But we're gonna use this with an extension. Okay. Make sure we got this going the right way. Yep. Oh, nice and easy. Okay. Not hard at all. In fact, basically finger tight. Let's get the other one moving and then we'll just do it by hand. Okay. Pretty nice hardware, Honda. Pretty sure this is the one that goes on the side I'm on, because according to the diagram here, the actual bracket comes in closer to the center line of the bike. So these are on the outside, this goes to the inside, which means this is the one that's got to go on the side I'm working on. The instructions do say this is for the up to 2018, but the REV'IT guide says it goes to the 2020. But there's like, it's the right kind of bracket, it just doesn't fit. Yeah, that's not going on there. May have been premature. So there are spacers, and apparently they do go to this bike, and we'll see. Maybe it's better.